How are the billions of enormous cattle in the United States raised and transported every day? Forget the images of quaint, small farms, because what you're about to see is an over $200 billion industry that you've never quite imagined. The U.S. alone is home to over 90 million cattle. To put that in perspective, if you line them up, they would circle the earth over 10 times. This immense cattle industry takes up a staggering 7% of U.S. land and produces enough meat to feed the entire world. So the question is, from the endless pastures in Florida and Texas to the major seaports in Houston, how do American farms manage, monitor, and move these colossal herds precisely, efficiently, and at super speed? Do you really think they just use sticks and sheepdogs? Absolutely not. Get ready to witness the game-changing technology and sheer scale, from helicopters on herding duty, to AI collars tracking the health of every single cow, to the super tankers that transport them across the globe. Don't look away. This is Agriculture Flow, and today we're stepping into the secret world of the planet's largest cattle industry. Let's dive in. Technology is one thing, but the foundation of this $200 billion industry is the cattle themselves. To produce that enormous quantity of beef, Americans need genuine livestock warriors. The chosen breeds not only have to be large, but they also must be able to withstand the harsh weather of southern states like Florida, Texas, or Louisiana. Meet the Brahman cattle, a breed with a distinctive shoulder hump and loose skin, making them the perfect adaptation machine for a warm climate. The process of raising these giants starts naturally. Calves nursed from their mothers for 6 to 9 months, then are set free on endless, sprawling green pastures. But when they reach the accelerating stage, everything switches to high-tech level. This is where the traditional farming industry ends and the mega farm begins. American cattle don't just eat plain grass. Their diet is scientifically calculated down to the last gram, a total mixed ration, TMR, which is a perfectly balanced blend of grains, corn residue, and silage. And here's the first wow factor. The feeding process is entirely automated. Look at these massive TMR mixing machines. They're like mobile kitchens, automatically weighing, measuring, and blending the feed according to a proprietary formula that maximizes the cattle's growth. Then, autonomous feeding robots or unmanned vehicles move precisely along the pens, delivering the exact dosage of food at the exact right time. This technology is why U.S. megafarms can efficiently operate the feeding of 30,000 to 100,000 head of cattle without the huge team of laborers you might imagine. This isn't farming, it's beef production science. If you think cattle ranching in the U.S. is just cowboys on horseback, you're decades behind. On the ranches spanning millions of acres across the American West, the modern rancher doesn't use a horse, they use a helicopter. This is our second wow factor, the helicopter cowboy. A single pilot can herd and direct a colossal group of cattle 10 to 20 times more efficiently than a traditional team, all while significantly reducing stress on the herd. For smaller groups, agile, compact drones take over the task, saving on fuel costs and cutting down emissions. But that's only part of the story. How do they manage the health of tens of thousands of cows simultaneously? The answer lies in AI technology. Most cattle on modern farms are now equipped with a smart collar. These collars aren't merely ID tags. They integrate IoT sensors and AI to monitor every metric, from heart rate and temperature to the feeding habits of each individual cow. The system immediately sends an alert to the manager's phone if it detects any anomaly. This is especially crucial for preventing bovine respiratory disease, BRD, a disease that causes over $1 billion in losses every year in the US. Thanks to AI, farms can detect and isolate sick cattle early, increasing the survival rate by up to 15%. Furthermore, in the smartest pens, the system will automatically adjust the temperature to ensure the cattle are in optimal health before they are shipped across the world. This is no longer ranching, this is livestock management science at the highest level. After being scientifically raised and AI monitored, these livestock warriors face their final challenge: the massive transportation journey. For an industry worth hundreds of billions of dollars overall, with beef exports alone exceeding $10 billion in 2024, shipping isn't just about moving cattle from A to B. It's a logistical art aimed at guaranteeing health and meat quality. The entire loading and unloading process is designed to minimize stress. Before departure, the cattle get a final health check. Loading areas are lined with sawdust or straw for comfort. Notably, the cows are guided through curved chutes, a simple yet extremely effective design that allows them to move naturally and reduces panic. And these are the mobile fortresses of the livestock industry on the road. Specialized multi-level trucks capable of hauling up to 100 head of cattle in a single trip. They aren't your average transport vehicles. The interiors are equipped with powerful ventilation systems, gentle lighting to keep the cattle calm, anti-slip flooring, and, most importantly, automated watering systems for long-haul journeys. From here, the herds can be circulated domestically or internationally, such as the transcontinental truck runs that move tens of thousands of cattle from Texas to processing plants as far away as Canada under the USMCA agreement. But the story doesn't stop at the border. To conquer the global market, American farms use megaships, livestock carriers. Departing from ports like Houston, these colossal vessels can transport over 20,000 head of cattle across the ocean in a single trip, saving up to 15% in transportation costs compared to road travel. Imagine the scale. A single one of these megaships, often carrying tens of thousands of livestock, represents cargo valued in the millions of dollars, navigating the ocean toward lucrative markets. This is how the U.S. beef pipeline connects the pastures of Texas to the plates across the globe. For example, cattle raised in the American heartland are routinely shipped from Houston. Undertaking a transcontinental voyage to processing facilities that feed the high-demand markets in the Middle East like Dubai, or travel all the way to Asia to become the premium steak on a dining table in Tokyo. This incredible logistical feat means a single American steer can literally travel half the globe to reach its final consumer, a testament to the industry's global dominance. And for special markets that demand speed, cattle are even moved by air freight. After being taken to the airport by specialized trucks, they're transferred into dedicated containers on cargo planes. They're even outfitted with continuous surveillance cameras throughout the flight to ensure no cow is stressed. It's this perfect blend of modern logistics engineering and immense production scale that has allowed the U.S. cattle industry to dominate the world. After the journey via trucks and megaships, the cattle arrive at their final destination, the modern processing facility. Here, the procedures are executed with tight technological and humane oversight. The first step involves a period of rest to reduce stress, which is critical for improving the meat's tenderness and color, before the animals are humanely stunned using electrical methods prior to processing. Next, be prepared to witness the precision of automation. Inside the processing plants, automated lines and massive machinery handle the removal of hides and organs at lightning speed. Every carcass moves along a stainless steel path, undergoing rigorous inspection. Every product must pass through automatic quality check systems, including X-ray scanning and temperature monitors, and receive a veterinary seal of approval. Finally, blast chilling technology at 004C 3239F is applied to inhibit bacteria and preserve the meat's perfect color and tenderness. It's a high-tech pipeline designed for maximum food safety and efficiency. Think about that high-grade steak or prime rib you pick up next time. Every single piece of beef in your supermarket, from the budget cut to the most premium offering, comes from this giant, meticulously controlled high-tech pipeline. You are directly connected to this mega industry, but this mighty industry is not without its challenges. The biggest challenge waiting just ahead is the environment. Each mature cow can release about 100 kiloliters of methane every year, one of the most potent greenhouse gases. U.S. scientists are racing to test feed additives that can significantly cut methane emissions, along with carbon offset systems for farms. Then there's the economic disparity. While adopting AI and TMR technologies offers up to a 20% profit increase, the enormous initial investment cost, hundreds of thousands of dollars, is causing smaller farms to struggle. And another critical question is, with the rise of automation, will robots soon replace human workers in processing plants? Job concerns are mounting as automated lines continue to evolve. So can technology help the U.S. cattle industry become sustainable without sacrificing thousands of jobs? Join us for the discussion in the comments section of this video. So we've just uncovered the secrets behind the $200 billion U.S. cattle industry. This isn't merely a story about animals in a pasture. It's about one of the most complex, high-tech supply chains on the planet. We've seen modern ranchers use helicopters to manage herds across millions of acres. We've witnessed AI technology turn simple collars into health monitoring systems, helping protect every single head of cattle. And finally, we were amazed by the scale of the megaships and the mobile road fortresses, efficiently and humanely moving tens of thousands of cattle across the globe. From the endless fields of Texas right to your dinner plate, every single step is optimized with the most advanced technology available. No matter how you view this colossal industry, there's no denying that it's feeding billions of people around the planet. Which technology in the video shocked you the most? Was it the helicopter cowboys, the AI collars, or the supercarriers? Comment below to join the discussion. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Agriculture Flow to uncover more tech secrets behind everyday life.